Somebody called Mr. Masika, but everything is nice. So Mr. Masika, the good work well done, as you see. And you said I asked you a question like how many days, maybe not days, but is it worth it to do the whole house? You said it depends with the architect.
Yeah, it's based with the architect.
Yes.
Because it won't suit everywhere.
Oh yeah.
It won't suit everywhere.
Yes.
And there's a lot of things that have been done on this house.
Yes.
And most of them aim at beautifying the house.
Yes.
You see. So if you say we put it everywhere, there are other works that will not come out.
Oh yeah.
So this one is only beautiful because it is at an entrance.
Yes.
Where the door will also be black.
Oh.
As it's appearing now.
Oh.
So its main duty or purpose was to conceal the idea that maybe the door is there.
The door is there.
Yeah.
Guys, this is Mr. Masika.
Yeah.
His YouTube channel name, the one which you are here, it's Pison alu-glaze Ventures. And of course, guys, this is the first video over here. Please watch, like, share, and leave us a comment. And he will be showing you each and every single day's work that he does around here. So, is it this only work, or you have to go on also inside? We see what's going on around. Oh, okay. All right, guys, let's go in.
Also do sliding.
Oh, the sliding doors. Guys, these are the sliding doors under the work of Mr. Masika. Maybe I should be outside so that people can see what's going on in. So you'll be in, you'll be in as I go out. So you'll be in, guys. This is the work of Mr. Masika, and this is what he's doing.
Sliding doors.
Yes.
They are lined like that.
Oh, they align themselves. Wow. Yes. Yeah, it's okay. Wow. They are very easy to push. Wow. So they are pulling themselves like, have you ever seen this train? Wow, look guys, look. Wow. Great. That's a great job, well done.
Some of the jobs that we do.
Yes.
Then this for the doors.
Yes.
Wider door like that. Then this one is
For the windows.
small area. Small area.
Wow.
These are some of the works I do.
Yes.
These ones. Then there are doors around.
There's some doors around, guys.
That one is locked.
Oh.
It's locked.
Because of privacy, we can't push it on the other side.
On the other side.
Yes.
You see, like this one.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So it's a fixed window.
It's a fixed window.
Yeah, it's not opening.
It's not opening.
It has been purely installed in glass.
Yes.
Yeah, whereby its purpose is to bring in more light.
More light.
Only light.
Oh, this is not opening, guys. It's for more lights.
It's a fixed window.
Yes.
Glass. Then this one also is a fixed one.
Also fixed one for more light.
Purpose is more light.
For more light. Yes, guys. This is the work well done. The work done with Mr. Masika, and of course we are here, guys. Please share with him, like, share, and subscribe.
These are the doors.
Aluminium.
Yeah, aluminium door.
Yes.
So it's locked.
Yeah, it's locked actually.
But there are also that are not locked.
Yes. Wow. Yes, it's a job well done. You see what Mr. Masika is doing.
So this one is openable because it's not locked.
Wow.
Yeah, we made
Oh,
it.
the reason why today I was so shocked, it was like, why is this door pulling itself in?
Yeah.
So I saw there's something here.
We installed this gadget.
Oh yeah.
We call it a door closer.
It's called the
Door closer.
door closer.
Yeah, we normally install them at offices.
Yes.
Offices.
Yes.
To prevent the door from banging.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this one controls the movement of the door, whether you are opening it.
Yes. Look, guys.
And then it closes itself. It controls how it is going
To push itself inside.
push itself
Oh.
gently,
Gently.
without making noise.
Guys, you see? So from out here, it closes itself. You know, we have these guys, so they just pull the door and they leave it on its own to go.
They leave it. You cannot
But even that you leave it, it will just not see. It locks itself very slowly. Yeah. So, wow, that's a very nice, well done job, guys, to Mr. Masika. Kindly, guys, if you wanna be looking for a job for guys like you want to have best job like this well done, kindly reach out to Mr. Masika on this YouTube channel, Pison alu-glaze Ventures, and you'll have this great job well done. Just leave it. You see now it's coming on its own, guys. Very little and very gentle. Yes. Without any banging. Wow, already. Push. It controls itself. It's coming. Very, 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 very little. You see? Very gentle, and then it bangs. Guys, this is Mr. Vasik. Yes. Okay, guys, now we are heading upstairs, and we're going to show you the work that Mr. Masika did, and this is what he does. So this is Pison alu-glaze Ventures. We are dealing with the glasses, aluminium glasses, door frames, and other stuffs, and in beautifying of yeah. All right, guys. Yeah, pull it again. Again. Wow. Yes.
We fabricate, we get materials, we bring them on site, then we cut, we fabricate, we install them right there. We don't fabricate it from far, though it depends with how the client works.
Absolutely.
But mostly I like working on site.
Oh,
like
so you, like there's those masons who fabricate on the other side and they come with the frames at the other house. But with you, you come with materials, you deal with them on the site.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing.
It works for me better because sometimes I can take measurements here. Then while I go to make I can make something bigger than the opening, or even smaller than the opening.
Wow.
And you know these materials are so costly.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so I don't like working on site to be precise enough. So these things are so costly.
So costly.
Yeah,
They're
so
aluminium rings.
Yeah.
Wow.
To create an area whereby somebody now approach the master bedrooms.
Yes.
Yeah. Now this is a place now somebody needs to be cautious.
Oh, cautious.
Yeah, like you have to walk fast.
Yes.
Then that area it was to be separated from the rest.
From the rest, yeah.
Because the boss,
all the boss,
Marwa,
yes,
wanted to make that area as an abode room.
Yeah, for sure.
Told me that.
Yes.
So that's why we came up with this idea to separate it.
Yeah.
So when somebody comes over here,
you have to knock, yeah. Alright, guys. Also, it's coming. Very nice and very great. The other side. Alright. It's big and spacious.
It's big and spacious to allow
more light and also, yeah. Yeah, guys, so that was the upstairs. Now we are at this main entrance where also we will share with you what's going on around.
The main entrances are
two, yeah.
That one and this one.
Yeah. So from here,
this has 3 panels.
yes.
And has 3 panels as well.
Oh.
But the other one has 4 panels.
The other one has 4 panels, and this one has 3 panels. Wow. Up the other end. Also should be out inside this side. Yes.
So
Yes. Wow, amazing. So Mr. Masika locked me in, guys. So Mr. Masika. Yes.
Yo, my people.
Yes.
One entertainment here.
Yes. All right, guys. So Mr. Masika, you're locking me in. All right, guys. This is Mr. Masika, and he does a very great job. And as you see, so can you also do woodwork, or you only do aluminium?
purely aluminum.
Purely aluminium. Oh.
So if it's wood, it depends
What kind of wood or what?
what is being made.
Oh,
Maybe
yeah.
they want to clad with aluminium. It depends, but this is purely what it is.
Oh, pure man. Okay, now Mr. Masika, you can conclude and tell people what you do, and if they wanna be reaching out, because we have different subscribers who will watch and they will need your service, because now your service is very evident in this villa. So you tell them, you know, where they can find you. You can ask them what you can do for them. Is it this one only, or there's more that you can do?
Okay.
Yes.
It's not only this one
Yes.
that I do. I do office partitions.
Yes.
I also do shower cubicles.
Yes.
And there are other windows, projected windows.
Yes.
Those that are pushed like that.
Yes.
Yes, those ones. And the slidings are these ones.
Yes.
The sliding windows and the sliding doors. And plus the swing doors.
The swing doors.
Swing door.
All right.
Yes, that's what I normally do.
Yes.
And anything else, even the rooftops,
Very rooftops.
where you want to install a roof light.
Roof lights.
Where there's a glass to allow maybe the sun,
Oh,
or
yes.
the light.
Yeah, sunroof.
That's
They call it sunroof.
Sunroof. That
Yes.
one. I do that one.
You do that one.
Yeah, I normally do that one as well.
Oh. I think there's a sunroof over there, but maybe that will be on the next video,
Yes.
as you'll be showing them with how the sunroof is.
Yes.
And also, guys, for more information, kindly go to the description point of this video, and also of this channel. You find there all the description, and you find there some details. Maybe you should leave your number also.
Okay.
For more information.
My number is +254 711 208625. Yeah, that's my contact.
Yes.
But when you want to reach me through YouTube, you go to P-Zone, you search for P-Zone alu-glaze.
Nice.
P-Zone alu-glaze is where you are going to see more of my works.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm going to post on
Yes.
this channel.
Absolutely.
So guys, kindly like them, subscribe, and even share.
Absolutely, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
God
much.
bless you.
All right,
God
guys.
bless you.
All right, guys.